Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Hyundai Elantra Elite sedan, stock reference number 4961. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2011 through to the 11th month 2015. It has a G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, right-hand tailgate boot lid garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right-hand doors appear to have no damage, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heating controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.